So it comes with an Allen key. And then we have this connector and a screw. Then you would use your Allen key to tighten it up. It does come with 2 stands, but I think I'm just going to use one. And I love that the stand comes with a carrying bag. Okay, this color is Kalisan Blush. These are 18-inch balloons, size to 11 inches. Twist it over, push down. Okay, so now I'm just going to add the next one, doing the same thing. I'm going to twist it over, push it down. These are 12-inch balloons inflated with 7 inches of air. And again, these are blush, Kalisan. These are the same size, the caramel brown. And I'm going to continue with the same size, 7-inch still. The pole is really thick. And I'm keep continuing with the 7-inch. These are all 7-inch size balloons. They were 12-inch, inflated with 7 inches of air. Did I mention it's a thick pole? I'm gonna add this one. This one has 9.5 inches of air. When I put the last one on, that's going to be a perfect fit. This one is 11 inches. They were 18-inch balloons inflated with 11 inches of air. I think it'll work. Now I'm going to be using Sempertex Reflex Gold 260s. The reason why they're called 260 is they are 60 inches long and 2 inches wide when they're inflated. Not sure if I inflated it too much. We're gonna see. Oh, let me just show you. I think that actually worked out pretty good. So I'm going to wrap it around the caramel brown, and then I'm going to tie it in the back. Maybe I'm going to go here. I'm going to put it on the blush instead of the caramel brown. And this stand it's got some good weight to it. For inside, you won't need any weights to add, but if you're outside, I would add a 10-pound weight. I would add this type of weight if you were using it outside, maybe even 25 pounds. I just realized you can see the top. So if I were to remake this again, I would do 12 inches at the top and 12 inches at the bottom. That should give you enough, and it'll cover the top of the pole.